Hi, in this video I will show you how to get free credit card without any bank account. So if you don't have any bank account and you want to purchase any subscription or purchase anything from online store, so how you can basically do it. So watch this video till the end. This video should be or will be helpful for you. So first of all, you have to open your browser on your laptop and you have to search for the money.yandex dot ru. So this is the web address you have to enter on your browser. Simply click on it. This is basically Russian website. So you can also see the language is also Russian here. Simply you can click on this translate button and convert it into the English, and once you will do it, you will see it's now converted in the English version. So from here you have to click on the cards. In the main menu you will see a card option. Tap on it. Okay, once you will do it, you will see page like this. You have to click on the learn more. Simply click on it. Now you will see different options here. Simply you have to click on the create a wallet. So what you have to do is basically you have to sign up on this site. Like, it will ask for your number, email address and some other information from you. Once you will give this information to this website, they will simply create your account, and after that once you will sign into your account, you will be able to get the virtual credit card or the Visa card, MasterCard, etc. from here. So through this you can purchase your subscriptions, online purchasing, any online purchasing. So this is the procedure and the website. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.